The secret of success. In a bustling city, a young man named Aaron lived with big dreams. He aspired to become a great businessman, but every small challenge made him despondent.
Despondent, hopeless, discouraged.
One day, Aaron met a wise old woman on a quiet street. She handed him a clay pot and said,
"Protect this pot for 3 days. Then your life will find its true transformation."
Transformation, a complete change.
Day 1. Aaron walked carefully, full of vigilance.
Vigilance, careful watchfulness.
Day 2. He was tired, but his perseverance kept the pot safe.
Perseverance, continued effort despite difficulties.
Day 3. Due to negligence, the pot slipped from his hands and shattered on the ground.
Negligence, careless failure to do something properly.
The old woman smiled and said,
This pot symbolizes your dreams. At first, you are careful. Later, through laziness and complacency, you let them slip away.
Complacency, self-satisfaction leading to carelessness.
Aaron was struck with epiphany. He realized that all his past failures came from giving up too soon.
Epiphany, a sudden realization.
From that day, he decided to guard his dreams like a pot. Years later, Aaron stood on a grand stage, successful and respected. His journey proved that success is not luck, but the result of resilience.
Resilience, the ability to recover quickly from difficulties.
Final life lesson. Dreams don't fail because of lack of talent, but because of inattention. Protect them like a clay pot, and one day they will protect you.
IELTS Vocabulary, despondent, hopeless, discouraged. Transformation, a complete change. Vigilance, careful watchfulness. Perseverance, continued effort despite difficulties. Negligence, careless failure to do something properly. Complacency, self-satisfaction leading to carelessness. Epiphany, a sudden realization. Resilience, the ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Inattention, lack of focus. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.